Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the eh, black fix the wallpaper Indian black screen. So let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here our browser. So in your browser you can directly search for the black screen problems also. So to fix that you can just search for here. So first is cleaning your graphic card driver and reinstalling it. Second is you're updating your softwares, all softwares, and third you can do as disabling your antivirus. And by using this step, you can just fix the problem of your wallpaper engine blackout. So you can see in the screen like images also some. So this is how we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.